This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your hazardous weather briefing for Tuesday, January 21st of 2014. Well, we're still looking at a couple of weather highlights for the next 7 days, hazardous ones. First off, the Arctic air and accumulating lake effect and lake-enhanced snows that will periodically affect all of northern Michigan through much of this work week. Some of the impacts here, very cold temperatures and a little bit of wind at times, resulting in some very low wind chills. Now, the best chance for getting some accumulations, first off, all of northern Michigan will see some light accumulations for both Wednesday and Friday. But the best lake-enhanced snow showers will be Wednesday and Wednesday night, and that's generally going to be for the Grand Traverse Bay region. Now, also, we'll have some very gusty winds with blowing and drifting snow that can pose some problems, such as snow-covered and or drifted over roads with significantly reduced visibilities. That's going to be for Friday, and again affecting most all of northern Michigan. But the main story has been this cold, and it's going to continue to be cold all the way through the weekend. Here is the maximum temperature forecast that we see for today. High temperatures not really getting out of the single digits above zero. As a matter of fact, even Sault Ste. Marie could still remain below zero in temperature throughout the day. And again, some of the weather highlights here, the cold temperatures that stick around all the way through the work week. Now, most of the time it's just going to be mainly light lake effect snow showers, but they will be enhanced for all of northern Michigan, specifically Wednesday and Friday, but the best shot is on Wednesday and Wednesday night, with accumulations generally in the 1 to 3 inch range, locally higher. Again, it's going to be along and west of 131 in and around the Grand Traverse Bay region. Then also, just a reminder for Friday, we're still looking at some pretty strong southwest winds. It's going to result in some blowing and drifting snow and possible hazardous driving conditions. And the cold air kind of sticks around along with the lake snows all the way through this weekend. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.